Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 10th of March. Our final chart of the day is gold, and this gold chart continues to trade in a fairly sideways band actually, and this consolidation period is becoming a little bit of concern for me. I've spoken recently at quite great length about these bearish divergences that you've got on these momentum indicators. The RSI continues to make lower highs as the gold price makes higher highs. Stochastics, same sort of situation, but now we've also had a bearish crossover of the MACD lines as well. Now, I think that this chart is building for a correction, and the pressure, I think, is on these kilos, has been for the last few days. That around about $1,330 has now been broken. 1328 was the low overnight. 1328.86 was the low before you've seen a bit of support come in, but I think that the pressure is increasingly going to be to the downside. The other main factor that I want to say to you is that this 200-hour moving average, which is this black line, that has been rising since the beginning of February. Hasn't been in decline since the 7th of February. Now that has been now rising since then, but this now has begun to fall over, and that is a little bit concerning, I think, for the outlook of the immediate term. I think it suggests that we're beginning to turn around into a corrective outlook. You've got this consolidation pattern in play, that's fine. It hasn't yet broken down. I think the key level I'm still looking out for is this 13.1961 key low, as the protection of a considerably more of a correction back towards 1300, which I think ultimately would still be a bullish opportunity. But I think that the fact that these daily technical signals are bearishly diverging, you've also got this broken uptrend. You've also now got this 200-hour moving average, which is falling over, which is that black line I was speaking about. That's falling over. Moving averages generally are also in decline as well. The momentum indicators on an intraday basis on the hourly chart, you'd also argue, are in a pretty bearish configuration as well. So a number of signals are suggesting to me that this is going to be breaking, certainly, and certainly retesting this 13.1961 level, and possibly even further to the downside. So that is my outlook. I think that pressure, as I said, is increasing to the downside, which may suggest that rallies are going to be sold into. 1341.26 is that reaction high overnight, so that's a key resistance to look out for. And I still think that if that's the case, then you'd probably be looking upon that as a chance to sell. Certainly near time anyway. I think longer term gold remains bullish. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading of gold today, and I will speak to you later.